Transform your home with a stunning kitchen remodel in Camas, Washington. Your kitchen is more than just a space to cook. It's the heart of your home. At Rybak Company, we recognize the significance of a well-designed kitchen that seamlessly combines style, functionality, and comfort. Offering expert kitchen remodel in Camas, Rybak Company specializes in renovations tailored precisely to your preferences and lifestyle. Why choose Rybak Company for your kitchen remodel in Camas? Rybak Company is a trusted name for kitchen remodel in Camas, built on quality craftsmanship, local expertise, and exceptional customer care. Here's why homeowners consistently trust us. Licensed, bonded, and insured. Have confidence knowing your kitchen remodel in Camas is managed by professionals committed to excellence. Local expertise, serving Camas, Vancouver, Washougal, Ridgefield, Battleground. Our deep community roots help us understand local trends and homeowner needs. Exceptional craftsmanship. Our skilled team excels in interior millwork, custom cabinetry, countertops, flooring, and lighting, ensuring your kitchen remodel is perfect down to every detail. Learn more about our commitment at Rybak Company, comprehensive kitchen remodel services in Camas, Washington. Custom cabinetry. Rybak Company enhances your kitchen's appeal and functionality with exquisite cabinetry and custom millwork tailored to your home. Countertops and surfaces. Select from premium materials like granite, quartz, marble, or butcher block to ensure your kitchen remodel is durable, attractive, and ideal for everyday use. Flooring installation. Choose beautiful, long-lasting flooring options such as hardwood, tile, laminate, or luxury vinyl plank for a kitchen remodel that withstands daily life gracefully. Lighting design. Illuminate your kitchen remodel in KMAs with elegant lighting solutions strategically positioned for maximum comfort and aesthetics. Appliance upgrades. Modernize your kitchen with energy-efficient, stylish appliances that improve functionality and complement your renovated space. Benefits of a kitchen remodel by Rybak Company. Increased home value. A professionally executed kitchen remodel significantly enhances your home's market value, making it a wise investment. Enhanced functionality. Improve your kitchen's layout for better workflow, efficient storage, and effortless meal preparation. Lifestyle improvement. Transform your kitchen into a comfortable, stylish space that fits your lifestyle, perfect for hosting gatherings or everyday family enjoyment. Ready to start your kitchen remodel in Camas? If you're ready for a beautiful, functional kitchen remodel, Rybak Company is here to help. Proudly serving Camas, Vancouver, Washougal, Ridgefield, Battleground, we invite you to discuss your project vision with us. Call Rybak Company today at 360-210-7757 or request your estimate online now. Call 360-852-1197 or visit us online at www.rybakandcompany.com.